Cancer is truly an evolutionary disease, meaning that it is a disease that results from the exact same evolutionary process we're describing. And that is, mutations take place in individual cells that if they convey some growth advantage to those cells may outgrow their neighbors, and additional mutations may happen so they outgrow their neighbors further. And that's what we define as a tumor, a population of cells that is now growing unregulated relative to its normal neighbors. And that's a threat because that unregulated growth can lead to spread throughout the body, can lead to organ involvement, et cetera, and death. But the other concern is as that cancer gets larger, some of those cells are going to get yet additional mutations. And some of those cells are going to get yet additional mutations. And so as cancer progresses over time, that tumor is less and less like the cell it started from and more genetic, and the tumor itself is more genetically diverse. So later in life, individual cells have gone through more divisions. They've had more chances to accumulate mutations that give them some growth advantage over other cells. And so our risk of cancer grows really significantly as we get into our 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s. So that tells us not only is it an evolutionary disease, it's a genetic disease. It's mutations taking place in genes that somehow disrupt the normal process of controlling cell growth. So a huge interest has been, what are those genes? How do we find them? How does this all work?